Hello and welcome to another video. Let's walk through this physics challenge on the board. All right, so we have given that a equals to 4t minus 1 and that the velocity is 5 meters per second when t is equals to 0. Find the distance traveled between t equals to 0, that's time t equals to 0 seconds, and time t equals to 3 seconds. All right, so the first thing to do is to find the velocity equation. And velocity, okay, can be expressed as the integral of acceleration with respect to time t, which means velocity. Now, the first thing to do is to find velocity equation. Okay, so we're given a equals to 4t minus 1. Okay, so we want to find the velocity equation. To find the velocity equation. So it means that because velocity is equals to, or since velocity is equals to integral of acceleration with respect to time t, then plus the constant of integration. Okay, so it means that I'm going to substitute 4t minus 1 for a in this equation. So v will be equals to the integral of parenthesis 4t minus 1 with respect to t, then plus the constant of integration. Now, if we integrate this using that's the general rule for integration, that is the integral of x raised to the power of n with respect to x, which is equals to x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, then plus the constant of integration. So I'm going to apply that in this case. So we have v equals to the integral of 4t with respect to t minus the integral of 1 dt, then plus the constant of integration. So that this will be 4t squared over 2 minus t, then plus c equals to vt. That is velocity function. That is velocity as a function of time. So in this case, v of t will be equals to 2t squared minus t plus c. Now, let's go back to the question. Velocity is 5 meters per second when time is equals to 0. So which means when t equals to 0, at t equals to 0, okay, at t equals to 0. So that means v of 0 will be equals to 5 meters per second. So this will be 5 equals to 2 multiplied by 0 squared, then minus 0 plus c. So this will be 0, then minus 0. So this will be 5 equals c. Therefore, the constant of integration is equals to 5. So which means the velocity function, which is the velocity equation, okay, the equation will be v of t equals to 2t squared minus t plus 5. So this is the velocity function. But our task is to find the distance traveled between t equals to 0 and t equals to 3. So what I will do now is to find the equation for the distance function. Now, because velocity function is equals to ds over dt. Okay, so it means that ds over dt will be equals to 2t squared minus t plus 5. So which means ds over dt is equals to 2t squared minus t plus 5. So I'm going to multiply through this equation by dt. So dt multiplied by ds over dt, that will be ds. Okay, then multiply by 2t squared minus t plus 5 plus 5. So we're going to have parentheses 2t squared minus t plus 5, then dt. Okay, so now I can integrate both sides. Okay, so integrating both sides, okay, integrating both sides. So we have integral of ds equals to the integral of parenthesis 2t squared minus t plus 5, okay, with respect to t, plus the constant of integration. So integral of 1 ds will be s. So this is our distance function, equals to 2t raised to the power of 3 over 3. That is, we increase the power by 1. Okay, that is, and then divided by the power over plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. That is using this according to this principle. All right, so then minus t squared over 2, then plus 5t plus c, which is a constant of integration. So this time we have c2, okay, because the first one is when, that's when we want to find the velocity function. Okay, so the velocity function, okay, we have velocity function to be 2t squared minus t plus c. And in the question, we are given that velocity is 5 meters per second when t is equals to 0. So when we plug in the value of t, that's 0, the value of v will be 5, and then c1 will be equals to 5. So that's c1. Okay, yeah. So now, so for c2, we have the distance function to be 2 over 3 t cubed minus 1 half of t squared plus 5t plus c2. Now let's set our initial value condition. That is, when t is equals to 0, okay, s of t will be equals to 0. So which means this will be 0 when this is equals to 0. That is 2 over 3 multiplied by 0 raised to the power of 3, 1 half multiplied by 0 raised to the power of 2, plus 5 times 0, then plus c2. So which means the constant of integration, which is the second constant of integration, will be equals to 0. So the distance function will be 2 over 3 t cubed minus t squared over 2 plus 5t plus 0. Okay, so now our task is to find the distance traveled between t equals to 0 and t equals to 3. So at t equals to 0, s of 0 will be 0. That is, when this is 0, 0 times 2 over 3, that will be 0. When this is 0, 0 divided by 2, that will be 0. When this is 0, this will be 0 times 5. That's also 0. Now, at t equals to 3, then this will be 2. The distance, which is s3, will be equals to 2 over 3 of 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 over 2, then plus 5 multiplied by 3. So this is 27 divided by 3. That will be 9. So 9 times 2, s of 3 will be equals to 18. Okay, 18 minus, this is 4.5, because 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Then plus 15. So 15 plus 18, that will be 33. Okay, that's 33. So 33 minus 4.5. 33 minus 4.5. That will be 33 minus 4.5. That will be 20. That's 4.5. So that will be from 30. Okay, that this is going to be 28.5 meters. So 28.5 meters. So therefore, the distance between the distance traveled between t equals to 0 and t equals to 3, that will be, let's say that's s, and s equals to s of 3 minus s of 0, and that will be equals to 28.5 meters. So which means s is 28.5 meters. With that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. It's a noblest pleasure. It's the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.